Hi, my name is Obianoze. Welcome to my channel.
Hi, I'm shooting this video without a tripod, without a microphone, without a stand, without lighting, without a camera. And the reason I'm doing this is simple, to show that you can start YouTube with nothing but just your phone. You don't need a tripod, you don't need a camera, you don't need a stand, you don't need lighting, you don't need microphone, you don't need anything. All you need is your phone. And I'm using an old phone, an unknown phone. But I've started. You don't have to be an expert or a pro or anything. Look, I'm shooting, you know. And I'm not well dressed. This is just my background. This is a chair, you know so I don't have a studio. So what is important in YouTube is just to start, and once you start you will improve. Okay, so now having shown you that you can start your YouTube channel without any of these gadgets, why should you start a YouTube channel? The answer is simple. It is the fastest way of making money online. There are a lot of small YouTubers who are making $5,000, $3,000, $2,000 every month from YouTube. There are many more who are making $6,000, $7,000, $10,000 from YouTube. Once you have a YouTube channel, you're going to make money in 5 different ways. The first way is your YouTube Adsense, where of course you're going to have to be monetized first before you begin to earn money, from YouTube AdSense. YouTube AdSense is where advertisers, pay to have their slots in your video, in a YouTube video. So you've got to get monetized. You have to have, and to be monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers minimum, and then you need 4,000 hours of viewing minimum. Once you achieve those two, you'll get monetized and you start earning money from AdSense. I am not monetized yet, but I intend to do that in 10 weeks. Now, the second source of income when it comes to YouTube is your affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you get to promote people's products or sellers' products to your consumers, and for each product that they buy or that they pay for, you get a commission. In other words, you're converting the sales that you get from promoting these people's products, and then once you convert, you get paid. Brand sponsorship is the third source of income. Now, brand sponsorship is when you have brands come up to you and tell you to talk about their videos. For example, I could have any of the popular brands. Brand X comes to me and says, hey, tell your viewers to buy my products, and they pay me some money up front. They give me $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10,000 for that, and I'll dedicate a whole video to them just telling people to buy their products. The fourth one is the Patreon, the YouTube Patreon, where I get to have people who subscribe, to my channel, but then again they want something extra, so I get to give them something extra for a monthly fee of maybe $5 or $3 or $10, depending, and they become some special subscribers that I have. So for that monthly fee that I charge them, I get to give them something extra. For example, I'm giving them behind the scenes clips of my videos. I give them some other things that I'm not publishing. I get to do something extra special for them for that $5 a month. So if you have like 1,000 of such people, you're making $5,000 every month just from those people being your patrons. And the fifth one is marketing your goods. Now, the good thing about YouTube is that it gives you the opportunity to also market your goods. So assuming I decide to start making branded t-shirts, or to open up a business, or to do whatever, I get to use YouTube to promote it. So those are the 5 sources of income from YouTube. Now, assuming each one of them gives you $1,000 a month, that is $5,000 right there. Now, I'm assuming they don't even give you $1,000 a month, and each one of them gives you $500 a month. Now, that is $2,500 every month right there. So if you have a phone, you might as well make money from it. Start a YouTube channel, start small. Once you're monetized, at least every month you're getting $1,000, $2,000, $4,000, which is a lot of money. So start your YouTube channel right now and join the 12 million people that are already making money from YouTube. and get your own share. YouTube is a big company. It is the second largest search engine in the world. It is the second largest social media company in the world. And in 2021, YouTube paid out $14 billion to its content creators. And there are 12 million of them, 12 million content creators, which they paid out $14 billion to. And this year, it's expected that they will even pay out more. It wasn't until this year when I decided to challenge myself to make $1 million from $0 online that I decided to do a research. And in all those researches I was doing on how to make $1 million, whether it was on YouTube or on Google, every reference redirected me back to YouTube. YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. Now, if you want to have a successful YouTube channel, then there are some things that you must do. The first thing is to make sure that your videos are evergreen. You must make evergreen videos. Now, evergreen videos are those videos that are forever relevant. They are not like trending videos. They are forever relevant. So there are videos that when you watch in 10 years time, they are still relevant. For example, how to lose weight, how to make money. Those are evergreen videos, because the techniques to losing weight was the same thing 50 years ago. It's the same thing now. It will be the same thing in 50 years time. You stop eating exercise and you lose weight. So those are evergreen videos. The next thing that you have to do if you want to have a successful YouTube channel is to be consistent. You have to decide when you're posting, whether you're posting once a week, whether you're posting twice a week, whether you're posting 3 times a week, 4 times, or every day. You've got to be consistent, because this almighty YouTube algorithm has to understand uh, understand your consistency. And once it understands your consistency, then it understands or figures out how to post your videos to people who will like it. So that's the next one. You have to be consistent. Then three, you have to be engaging. Your videos must be engaging. Now Mr. Beast, the guy who had the highest earning income from YouTube, is an expert in keeping people engaged. And I was listening to him in one of his interviews, and he says that everybody should target at least 70% engagement. Now, if you had anything less than 70% engagement, then you're not doing well. You have to make engaging videos. So once you can do engaging videos, you're consistent in your release, and you make evergreen videos, your YouTube channel will do well. However, one important factor that influences, even when you've done all this, that influences the income you earn is the niche that you're going to be shooting your videos in. Because there's so many niches. There is the finance niche, which is the one I'm interested in because it's the highest paying when it comes to what they call CPM. And CPM is what advertisers pay for, to pay to advertise on your page or in your video. So the CPM is highest when it comes to finance videos. But the other niches that are interesting, in fact, the top 10 highest earning income YouTubers are not in the finance niche. They are not in the finance niche. They are in other niches apart from finance, and yet they are the highest earning. you know but they are very good at what they do. So YouTube is big business. It's not something that you should play with. It's something you should take seriously, because people are making a killing from YouTube, and you don't have to have all the things I told you about. I'm bringing my phone forward. I don't have a stand. I'm doing whatever it is that it is, just to show you don't need to start. You don't need to start like, you don't have to be a pro. Start like a pro. All you need is just starting, and once you start, you grow. Start a YouTube channel. Start.